Hello, everyone, and welcome to AI in a Blank, a learning series that provides you with bite-sized insights into generative AI. Today, we'll discuss the hype around generative AI and look into 5 reasons why it's dominating discussions in the technology and business world today. My name is TJ. I lead product marketing here at Yellow.ai. Well, AI pioneer Yoshua Bengio said, "We want to understand intelligence and we want to understand it so well that we can reproduce it." This encapsulates the essence of generative AI, the ability to create and produce outcomes similar to human intelligence. Let's look into reason number 1, augmented creativity. Generative AI can create music, visual arts, poetry, and more. It's not about replacing human creativity, but augmenting it. As Gartner reports, by 2023, which is this year, AI and emerging technologies will generate 2.3 million jobs. ChatGPT, a generative model developed by OpenAI, is now used to draft emails, blogs, write code, and even compose poetry. Many of you are already using it, and you can see the impact already. The creativity of AI doesn't aim to outshine human intelligence, but rather to complement it. It allows us to scale and diversify our creativity by offering countless variations and possibilities we may not even think of. Reason 2, generative design. This is reshaping industries like manufacturing and architecture by generating numerous design possibilities to optimize the final output. Autodesk, for instance, used generative design to reduce the weight of Airbus partition wall by 45% without sacrificing strength. Amazing, isn't it? Generative models, combined with reinforcement learning, can analyze numerous designs, layouts, and structures, scoring each one based on a set of desired metrics. It's like having an AI assistant that generates thousands of design alternatives and learns from each iteration. ChatGPT's underlying architecture, Transformers, is an example of this iterative learning approach. Reason 3 is data synthesis. Generative AI can create synthetic data that imitates real-world data, helping companies overcome challenges of data scarcity, privacy, and security. According to industry analysts, 85% of AI projects will deliver erroneous outcomes due to bias in data, algorithms, or the teams responsible for managing them. Well, this was till last year, and there's still work to do, no doubts about it. But OpenAI's model, like GPT-3 or its successor like ChatGPT, were trained on massive amounts of text data. But what if such data is scarce, especially in specific domains or languages? Generative AI can create synthetic data that closely mirrors real data, enhancing AI training while mitigating bias and protecting privacy. Reason 4, personalization and customization. Generative AI can adapt to individual behaviors, preferences, and contexts. For example, companies like Stitch Fix are leveraging generative AI to provide highly personalized clothing recommendations to their customers. Generative AI can understand individual behaviors, preferences, and contexts to provide highly personalized experiences. For example, a model or a language model, I must say, like ChatGPT, can be fine-tuned to individual writing styles, making its output more tailored to each user. Reason 5, it is the future of AI. We all need to kind of embrace it. With its ability to learn and generate, generative AI is poised to become the driving force behind the next wave of AI innovations. As Andrew Ng, a leading voice in AI, puts it, AI is the new electricity, and generative AI models like GPT-4 have an impressive ability to understand context, generating coherent responses, and even exhibit a degree of common sense. The capacity to learn and generate makes these models not only the present, but also the future of AI. As AI continues to evolve, we can expect more revolutionary breakthrough from generative models. In conclusion, generative AI is reshaping the future. As we continue to innovate, it's essential to understand the potential of the technology and how we can harness it responsibly. Remember, in the words of Kevin Kelly, the business plans of the next 10,000 startups are easy to forecast. Take X and add AI to it. On that note, I'll say goodbye to you for now. Look out for all this information just going to come in this series, AI in a Blink, and you will learn a lot about generative AI, how it needs to be consumed, how enterprises can get benefit from it, and a lot more. I'm TJ. Thank you for listening to me.